Hello everyone. I am Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science in the Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity. In today's lecture, we are going to see about application programs and user interfaces. Application programs and user interface. So most database users do not use a query language like SQL. An application program acts as the intermediary between the users and the database. So application split into three parts. One is front end, middle layer, and back end. Front end as a user interface forms graphical user interface. Many interfaces are web based. So the front end is only visible to the user. So all the information what you want to see or share with your client, so that will be placed in your front end. Application architecture evaluation. Three distinct eras of application architecture is given here. The first, mainframe, 1960 to 70s, personal computers era, 1980s, V era, 1990s onwards. So the first one is mainframe era. So we have terminals. So it is connected through network or dial-up phone lines, and the mainframe computer is placed in some location. Next, personal computer era. So we have different applications like a desktop, and we are connecting our system with local area network, so that will be connected with the database. Next, web era. So web browsers, we have web browsers. It is connected through network, and web application server is there, so that is connected with the database. So by this, we are connecting different applications. So nowadays, we are dealing with applications, but we are storing an information in through the network on a cloud. Web interface. Web browsers have become the de facto standard user interface to database. So it enables large number of users to access databases from anywhere. So it avoids the need for downloading and installing specialized code while providing a good graphical user interface. JavaScripting, Flash, and other scripting languages run in browser but are downloaded transparently. For example, banks, airlines, and rental car reservations, university course registrations and grading. So, the World Wide Web. The web is a distributed information system based on hypertext. Most web documents are hypertext documents formatted via the hypertext markup language. HTML documents contains text along with font specifications and other formatting instructions. Hypertext links to other documents which can be associated with regions of the text. Forms enabling users to enter data which can then be sent back to the web server. So HTML document contains a tags. Here we have so many tags. By the use of the tags only we can develop a web page. For table creation, image insertion, text informations, and also for a link, we have different tags. By using that tags, we can design our web page. Uniform resource locator. So in the web, functionality of pointers is provided by uniform resource locator, like URL example http://www.acm.organization. So the first part indicates how the document is to be accessed. So HTTP, so it is a hypertext transfer protocol. If we are passing any values or any information, we are requesting something, so that will be transferred using HTTP. So here we have given ACM. So that particular website is redirected by using this URL. Next, the second part gives the unique name of a machine onto the network. The rest of the URL identifies the document within the machine. The local identification can be the path name of a file on the machine. An identifier of a program plus arguments to be passed to the program. So from this lecture, you can understand about the application, programs and www, HTTP, URL, why we are using all these kind of keywords. Thank you.